What's going on, guys? I'm here. Just wanted to share with you some of my top swing picks for this week, this Monday, the 9th of July. And I'm gonna make this video real short. I don't want to take too much of your time. I'm just gonna fly through. It's like 2 or 3 of these. Um, so yeah, and let's get started here. So the first one I got on my list is let's see, CSOD. You can see it's got a nice uptrend pattern. And what I liked about this one is how it's nicely bouncing on this SMA indicator line that I have set up here. And it just came back. It had a big selling period and it sold off quite aggressively. Now it's back at that SMA, and it did bounce and confirm slightly. So what I'm waiting for now is the push up again, validating this SMA line, the moving average of this SMA, to again profit from this, and we're looking at a profit here of about like 6, possibly 10% if it confirms the uptrend the whole way. And like every swing, it's not going to be perfectly up. You're going to have sell-offs, and you're going to have pushes and sells off and pushes. So you have to be able to manage that. So this is one of the first ones I had on my list, CSOD. I'm going to be watching for that Monday morning and see how that develops. Alright, let's move on. Hold on. Let me see, 1 second. I got my second one here. NTNX. This one is, I saw it on my list here. I have just a whole list of stocks that I go through every week and for swing trades, and pick out some of the top ones from my personal list that I've developed over a few months to years. So now, let's see. When I go on this one, let me go back here. Let me delete some of these lines. It's just in the way. Okay. As you can see, we have a nice support line here at 50.75. Okay. Now this could be a false support as well. It's not 100% because, as you can see, it did come back down here to 48. And it came over here to 52. So it's kind of like in the middle. So you have a support line here in between. So this possibly right here on the 180-day. Hold on, let me clean this up here. Make it a little bigger for you guys. So it did validate here, just a little bit though. It's not 100%. We see the breakthrough and then the pushback again. It got rejected, and a little push up, reject, push up, reject. So now we have a big push up here, which I like to see. I like to see a rejection and then a nice big push, and then what is it called? Oh, I can't remember now. A nice rejection back to the SMA line, this blue line here I have set up. So I like to see it come back and then push up for a nice. What is this one? This would be a possibly 7% if it validated all the way up to 20%. I would probably just take my 7% profit at that point, just to play it safe. If they're having for some reason some some video delay, it's probably my internet. It really sucks. Sorry about that. I'm working on getting new internet for coming up the few short months. So let's see, going on about 4 minutes now. And the final one I got, I want to make this video short. I don't want to keep it too long for you guys. I got MDB here. A nice uptrending pattern, and that's bouncing around the SMA line there, that green line I got set up. See, push up, pull back. And what I liked about this one is it has a nice trend. It's not too volatile. It's either down or it's coming up, which is appealing to me as an investor. So as you can see, the MACD here is looking good. It just crossed paths. The RSI is more on the oversold side. It is a little bit in between. It's about in between. So it's a good price to buy in. I will be watching for the continuation of the uptrend, staying above that SMA indicator. And this one has a possibility of about 15%. If it didn't, it probably more, because as you can see, it pushes up, and then this pushed up, let's see, about 30% more than the resistance before. So it has a possibility of like 15, even more percent. If you decide to hold it, I would probably take my profit there at 15, not to be too greedy or anything. And let's see if I got anything else here. Another quick one I got. on another kind of horizontal pattern. About multiple bounces right here at the resistance line, or at the support line at about $22. Has the possibility again of uptrending all the way up to $25, $26. That one's not appealing as to me right now as much as the other ones. The other ones have more potential, at risk loss potential for me. But this is the one I'll be keeping on my radar as well. So that's about it I got for you guys. Gonna be having more content soon. I'm gonna go over how to set up the Thinkorswim platform if you don't know. Go over the indicators, some good study patterns in here that you can use. Lots of studies in here. You don't want to have too many indicators, but it's always good to have a few good ones. Be going over how to set up, you can have a double, let's see, whoops. You can have double screen, or you can have like a quad screen like this. So I'll be going over that in future videos. If you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to comment. Make sure you subscribe so you can be up to date with the latest videos. You're getting notified. And that's all I got for you guys today. So I'll be up early Monday possibly. I'll be checking some penny stocks too, just to see what develops. There's sometimes some good penny stock potential for a quick buck or two. Not always my thing to do, but sometimes it's there. There's a good upside and less risk, more reward. If you have anything else, make sure to comment. I'll see you guys Monday. I'll be up early. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.